Say hello, everyone.
Hello.
What are you?
A Chacha the princess.
Are you a little princess?
This is Chacha. This is her paper.
The paper? Where's the box?
Where's the box? This is the box.
There's the box.
Here's the box.
Are we going to do an unboxing?
Yes. We'll open the side. The magic booty.
Magic booty?
Yes. Yeah. Hello, one.
Oh, whack me in the face.
Sorry.
Oh, there's no magic that will fix Daddy's face.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's
I'm
okay.
sorry
Oh, you're sorry. I'm sorry. That's okay.
This is Kevin.
All right, we're going to do a Yescom 853D 3-in-1 soldering rework station. Cool. Thank you for helping with my introduction.
It's just a little bit.
Cool.
This is the box. This is the box. Here.
Okay, without further ado, we're going to unwrap the box. Yes, the box. We're going to unwrap. We're going to open the box.
Open the box.
We have the box here. Daddy was very happy when he got this box.
I'm very happy.
And it's taken me
I'm very happy.
a couple of days to get to open this.
I'm very happy.
And Phoebe's happy too.
I'm having a very happy box.
See, that's what an interruption to do. This came,
I'm very
honestly, it came 2 days after I ordered it, which was pretty fast.
Very happy box.
Alright, this is my box. Hopefully it has this in it. But when I got it, I noticed that there was no ticks on any of the indicators of what it could be. So we have the box, and this is Yihua or something they say, but on the paper it said Yescom. So get this out and we'll take it from there. Good sign. 853D, yes. Well, that's a bit concerning. On the paperwork it says 853D 3-in-1 soldering rework station. On the box it says 2-in-1 hot air rework station. So I'll have to open up to have a look to see what else is going on. It does say 3-in-1, which is a good sign. Instruction manual, which is good. Alright. Looks like it's pretty well packed. Look as messy as it could have. Awesome. Smells chemically. Over to have a look. All the boxes in there. Right. Oh, I'm so keen for this, so happy. Okay, we've got the soldering stand. Some plastic. Don't know if that's for the hot air gun to be attached to the side. Sounds like some screws. It's for the multimeter, I suppose. I'm not sure what that is, just as it. Some wick, is it? Solder wick. Power cable. Got a soldering iron adapter. Got another cable. Tips for the soldering iron. This must be the hot air gun adapter thing. Yep, and obviously the box, the main part of the show. Pretty stoked with the purchase at the moment. I haven't had a chance to break it all down just of yet, so I'll have to add to that later, but that's the unboxing. And from here what I can see is that we have everything mentioned in the paperwork. It comes with